Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Alexis Sanderson, who is raring to go. Alexis is 9 years old. She has quadriplegic cerebral palsy. She can be walked with two hands held pretty well, her trunk pretty well, with one hand kind of well. She can walk in a walker but needs help to steer. So we're gonna go down the stairs. Alexis, are you ready? Okay, you got a hold on over here, and we're gonna go down the stairs. I am holding the back of her shirt. Ready, Alexis? Good holding on. Can you step down for me? Step down for me, sweetie. Nice. So I'm letting her control the descent. Alexis, can you stand up for me, please? Thank you. Can you step down, please? Nice, Alexis. Good control. Move your hand, please. Thank you. Can you step down? Beautiful way of your sliding. So I find that kids have an easier time holding onto the rail going down the stairs compared to going up. It's easier for their hand to slide down with gravity to the next spot on the rail. Nice. She's going right now always with her right leg first. If she got better at this, I'd want to work on left leg first, but right now this is about where she needs to be working. Thank you. Again, oh, there goes. You heard me. You're going to do left. That's a lot harder. Nice job, sweetie. Keep your hand on. With kids who are a little bit higher level, I try to make sure that their hands slide upon the rail and that they don't take their hands off, because when your hand comes off, that's when you're in the risk position of falling. Let's sit down right here. Oop, right there. Right there. I hope that's helpful for you. We tried the stairs inside the house and it was a little bit chaotic, so I thought we'd try it again outside where we had a little bit more space and we didn't have some of the motivational issues we had before. Hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.